Hello geometry students, I am going to do a video for you on one of your chapter 5 constructions. This one is constructing a triangle congruent to another triangle using side, angle, side. So I'm going to demonstrate this, I think, fairly slowly, and so you can also pause the video anytime you need to. And I've also put written instructions in Google Classroom for you. So if we want to construct a triangle congruent to another triangle, obviously we need our starting triangle, the one that we are going to be trying to copy. So let's go ahead and set up a triangle here. Let's call it triangle ABC. And this is a copy of the triangle that I want to make another one of. Let's go ahead and label these angles A, B, and C. Once you've set up your initial triangle, then we can start on step 1. So step 1 is using a ruler, draw line M. Now you do want this line to be longer than the base of your original triangle so that you will have enough room to do your construction on. So we're just going to draw a line and label that line M. Step 2 says to draw point R on line M. So we're going to put a dot here or point here and make that be point R. Step 3 is to construct RT congruent to AC on line M. What that means is they want us to take our compass and measure how long it is from A to C and then copy that length on line M. So you need to open up your compass, put the tip on A, and measure to show that you've put an arc here to show that you've made that measurement. Then lift up your compass, put the tip on R, and draw another arc over here. So what you've done is you've copied the length of the base of your triangle. And we are going to call that second point T. So I've now constructed RT, which is congruent to AC on line M. Now, this is side, angle, side. So obviously I've done a side. The next step is going to be to do an angle. Step 4 says construct angle R congruent to angle A using RT as a side of the angle and point R. So we're going to copy this much like we did before when we were doing parallel lines. We are going to take our compass and we're going to put it, the tip on A, and draw an arc that intersects both sides of the triangle. Then with that same setting, we're going to put our tip on R and draw a large arc that intersects line M and also goes fairly high up. Now, you do need to show each of these arcs to get full credit on your constructions test. We need to measure the height of this angle here on our initial triangle and put an arc there to show that we've done that. So I have put my tip on the triangle and I'm drawing an arc that's showing how tall that angle is. I'm keeping my compass tight and I'm coming over here and I'm putting the same mark there. Now what I need to do is complete that angle by going through point R and this point here where the two arcs intersect. Now we don't have to know yet how long that is, but we need to at least draw the line. So now we have done step 2 where we have constructed angle R that is congruent to angle A using RT as a side of the angle and point R. Now we're doing side, angle, side. We've done side RT. We've done angle R. Now it says to construct RS congruent to AB. So what that means is I need to measure the length of AB using my compass again. So I'm going to put my tip on A and put an arc here on B. Again, I need to show that marking. And then I'm gonna put my tip on R and mark off the same length. Now that I've done that, I have the third part that I needed, the final side. And now it says draw ST, so we should put an S here. Draw ST to make the triangle RST. So I'm gonna put the yardstick here, or you would just be using a ruler, and there you go. Now these triangles are not perfect. You know, they might be a few degrees off, but they're very, very close, and I've shown all the markings that I would need to show to get 100% on this question on the Chapter 5 test. So this is side, angle, side, triangle congruence. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, bye.